Hello, students. Today we will learn about other types of concrete together. The aim of this lesson is to understand pumped concrete, impermeable concrete, and ready-mixed concrete. First, let's take a look at pumped concrete together. Pumped concrete is concrete that can be poured at the construction site through pressure pumps and delivery pipes, including flowing concrete and highly flowing concrete. Its characteristics are: firstly, it has great fluidity, with a slump not less than 100 millimeters, making it easy for construction, pouring, and compaction. It is suitable for narrow construction sites, large volume concrete structures, tunnels, bridges, and high-rise building construction. It has good filling ability, suitable for projects with dense reinforcement. Secondly, it has great conveying capacity, with long transportation distances, up to 800 meters horizontally and 300 meters vertically. It can complete continuous operations for vertical or horizontal transportation and directly pour at the outlet of the pipeline. Next, let's discuss the requirements for the constituent materials of pumped concrete. The types of cement include Portland cement, ordinary Portland cement, slag Portland cement, and fly ash Portland cement. The cement dosage needs to be determined according to the project's mix design. The coarse aggregate gradation should be continuously graded, with a needle-like particle content not exceeding 10%. The maximum nominal particle size of coarse aggregate should comply with standard requirements relative to the pipe diameter. Medium sand is preferred for fine aggregate, with a sand ratio of 38% to 45%. Suitable pumping agents or water reducers and appropriate amounts of mineral admixtures should be used to enhance the workability of the mixture, preventing segregation, bleeding, and pipeline blockages. The mix design methods, steps, and ordinary concrete meeting design, strength, and water resistance requirements for pumped concrete should have good pumpability. Let's learn about impermeable concrete together, which refers to concrete with impermeability grade not lower than P6, possessing both waterproofing and load-bearing functions. Raw material requirements include cement with good water resistance, low bleeding, low heat of hydration, and certain resistance to erosion, avoiding the use of slag cement. When there are requirements for freeze resistance, priority should be given to Portland cement and ordinary Portland cement. For thick and large structure construction, priority should be given to fly ash cement, or ordinary Portland cement can also be used. It is not advisable to use Portland cement and rapid hardening Portland cement. The maximum particle size of coarse aggregate in continuous gradation should be less than or equal to 40 millimeters, with a clay content not exceeding 1% and a mud lump content not exceeding 0.5%. Medium sand is chosen for fine aggregate, with a content not exceeding 3.0% and a mud lump content not exceeding 1.0%. The water requirements are consistent with those of ordinary concrete. The dosage and types of other materials, such as air entraining agents, water reducers, etc., should be determined through experiments. The mix design of impermeable concrete presents the following requirements. 1. The value of mineral water permeation pressure should be increased by 0.2 megapascals compared to the design value. 2. The total amount of cement and mineral admixtures should not be less than 320 kilograms per cubic meter. 3. Medium sand with good gradation should be used, with a sand ratio not less than 35% to 45%. For projects with small thickness, dense reinforcement, and many embedded parts that are difficult to compact, the sand ratio can be increased to 44%, and the maximum particle size of coarse aggregate should be less than or equal to 40 millimeters. 5. The maximum water binder ratio of impermeable concrete should comply with standard regulations. Next, let's learn about ready-mixed concrete. It is a concrete mixture of cement, aggregates, water, and optional additives and mineral admixtures, mixed in specified proportions at a batching plant and delivered to the usage site by transportation vehicles within a specified time. It is also known as commercial concrete or ready-mixed concrete, and characterized by 1. Precise material measurement results in minimal fluctuation in concrete quality. 2. Centralized production and supply accelerate construction process. 3. Reduces losses from storing construction materials and production process. 4. Reduces pollution. The technical requirements of ready-mixed concrete include 1. Strength. 2. Workability. 3. Air content. 4. Other requirements. Now let's look at the symbol marking of ready-mixed concrete products. Product 1. AC30-150-GD31.5-PS, where A represents general purpose ready-mixed concrete. C30 represents the strength grade of C30. 150 represents the slump of 150 millimeters. GD31.5 represents the maximum particle size of coarse aggregate as 31.5 millimeters, and PS represents the use of slag Portland cement. Product 2. PC30F50T8-180-PD31.5-PO represents special purpose ready-mixed concrete with a strength grade of C35, a freeze resistance grade of F50, an impermeability grade of P8, a slump of 180 millimeters, a maximum particle size of coarse aggregate as 31.5 millimeters, and using ordinary Portland cement. Alright, that concludes our lesson for today. Thank you, everyone.